Hi, Cole from AFT here. We are in Michigan near Detroit with ClickLock, and I've been looking at this online for quite some time and I'm finally here. So what I'm going to do is a quick demonstration on how the traditional safety wire lock method is used and then compare that to the ClickLock parts. So we'll start off with locking this part down. So we lock it down. We pass that wire through. So that was about 4.5 to 8 minutes. So now I'm going to do the ClickLock part, which is as simple as doing a snap. And there we have it. It's about a 21 ratio, I'd say, maybe even more. ClickLock parts, so easy to use and they won't come loose.